Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can attach a regular key back to your Scissor Switch keyboard. Now in this video, I'm using an Editor's Keys backlit keyboard, but this same thing applies to any Scissor Switch keyboard, including Apple keyboards too. Now the great thing is with a Scissor Switch keyboard is that the keys are designed to come off for cleaning purposes. So maybe you've taken one off because you've got a bit of dust under your keyboard, or maybe the key has come off during transit when you've been moving around. Don't worry, they're very easy to pop on. So I'll show you how you can put this key back on the right way in this video. So if your Scissor Switch is inside your keyboard, all you'll need to do is take your key and then just click it back down into place, and that will fix your keyboard. But what do you do if the Scissor Switch is outside of your keyboard? So here we've got a key and a Scissor Switch which has come out. What you need to do is pop the Scissor Switch back into the key first of all. So I'm just going to line that up like so and click that back into place, and you'll see the Scissor Switch attaches to the key. Now you can actually just push this straight down into the key section and that will go back into place. Obviously we've already got one here, so all you need to do is click this key back into place. Okay, so all you need to do is get your key, pop it on top of your keyboard like so, just get it nice and level and click down into place, and you've now got a fully working H key again. So I hope that's helped, and if it has, let me know in the comments section below. And remember, if you're new to editing, check out our other videos up here, all about video editing and audio editing. We've got a ton of videos on this channel. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.